Thank you, Chairperson. Honourable Minister, the central role of the state is to protect its citizens, and sadly, citizens do not feel safe in their homes, public, at schools or places of employment. And we see criminal syndicates targeting our SOEs, such as Eskom, Transnet. We also see the so-called construction mafia preventing much-needed infrastructure being built. And this despite the National Development Plan requiring that the state should build safer communities, promote accountability and fight corruption, and strengthen judicial governance and the rule of law. Lawlessness, sadly, seems to be on the increase. And in our view, in the ACDP's view, the state is failing dismally to protect its citizens. Chairperson, the detectives are at the crux of the criminal justice system. Poor investigations lead to poor detection and conviction rates. And sadly, there's been a continual decline in detection rates if one considers the police annual report and its budget report. That is why the ACDP supports prosecutor-driven criminal investigations and why we support the amendments that are to be brought to the NPA Act to establish the investigating directorate as an independent agency in the NPA. Minister, we need that amendment as soon as possible. It should not be delayed. And why then, Honourable Minister, are we then having the department dealing with the proposed decriminalization of prostitution, which the Deputy Minister, I understand, is going to deal with? But may I just also say, Deputy Minister, you've got an appalling fashion with scarves. Surely you had something better to wear. And I would like to just say, Am Yisrael Chai, the people of Israel live. So as far as it goes with the decriminalization, Deputy Minister, if we considered what we did in the previous parliaments, and if one considers the SA Law Reform Commission given, then we are surprised at this proposed amendment that is coming from the Justice Department, given the fact that there is no regulations in place, and given the breakdown of morality and families in our nation, it is staggering. Thankfully, that will only be dealt with by the next parliament. Chairperson, I would also like to indicate the ACDP, after meeting with the Chief Justice and the heads of court, together with other members, the judiciary complained about the long-delayed judiciary-led administration model, which is yet to be finalized. Minister, you indicated that this will receive attention and hopefully that will be finalized before the end of this term. We're also grateful for the Judicial Matters Bill and the expungement of COVID-19 offences, which has been considered. Thousands of normally law-abiding citizens who committed trivial offences and after paying admission of guilt fines now sit with criminal records. And we are pleased as that cannot be correct and affects employment opportunities. The ACDP would like to thank all those members at the back, the DG, and those dedicated police officials, detectives, prosecutors, magistrates, and other members of the judiciary who on a daily basis and under severe financial constraints deliver justice to our citizens. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Honourable Swart.